Men over 60, let's be honest. Are you waking up tired, struggling with sleepless nights, and feeling your energy, drive, and confidence slowly slipping away? Maybe you've been told that's just what happens with age. Well, as a urologist, I'm here to tell you that's not the full truth. That feeling of being less you doesn't have to happen. What if one simple, often missed vitamin taken every night could actually help reverse this decline? Imagine getting back deep, refreshing sleep, steady daytime energy, and a stronger sense of masculinity. Stay with me. This could be one of the most important health discoveries you'll hear this year. I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how to get back what you thought was gone. But before we dive in, if you're serious about your health and want to feel strong and energized for years to come, hit that like button. And for weekly doctor-backed tips to sleep better, boost energy, and feel young again, subscribe to Vitality Health 101. Your support helps us reach more men like you. If you're ready to take back your nights and days, comment 1 below. So why are so many men over 60 struggling with sleepless nights, low energy, and a dip in confidence? While aging does bring changes, the idea that poor sleep and low vitality are just part of getting older is mostly a myth. The truth is, many men are missing a key piece of their nutrition. In my work with countless patients and supported by major health studies, one major issue keeps showing up: a lack of magnesium. Over half of adults in Western countries, and likely even more men over 60, don't get enough of this essential mineral. That means half of you watching this right now could be missing out on a key nutrient and feeling the effects without even knowing it. This shortage sets off a chain reaction. You deal with restless nights, muscle cramps, higher anxiety, and a constant feeling of being off. Over time, this creates a heartbreaking loss of deep, refreshing sleep, loss of energy to enjoy life, and for many, a loss of confidence in intimate relationships. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's about feeling like you're losing yourself. The good news is that fixing this deficiency can start turning things around. Stay tuned, because tip number 3 is where most men go wrong and miss out on magnesium's full power. The key nutrient I want you to focus on is magnesium. When taken properly at night, magnesium works like a nightly recharge button for your body. It carefully supports your systems to restore deep sleep, male vitality, and overall energy. This is about helping your body work at its best. Let's talk about how magnesium supports this nightly recovery, especially for men over 60. For deep restorative sleep, magnesium is a natural calming mineral. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. It attaches to GABA receptors in your brain, helping to quiet racing thoughts. This makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep naturally. This isn't a sedative, it's your body's own calm, allowing full rest and recovery for strong energy and vitality. Magnesium is crucial for male hormones. Research, including studies from the Journal of Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Analysis, shows that healthy magnesium levels are linked to higher testosterone, especially in active older men. Testosterone is key, not only for sexual health, but also for muscle strength, energy, and mood. Magnesium also keeps your blood vessels healthy, which is vital for strong and lasting performance. It sets the stage for natural strength and confidence, without needing artificial boosters. For full nighttime repair, beyond sleep and hormones, magnesium supports over 300 important body processes during deep sleep. It helps with cell repair, reduces inflammation, and balances brain chemicals. This means you don't just sleep, you actually recharge. You wake up clear-headed, steady, and ready for your day, whether that's a round of golf or time with loved ones. But here's an important point. Not all magnesium is the same. Choosing the wrong type can leave you disappointed or even cause side effects. For deep sleep, energy, and vitality, you need forms that your body can absorb well and that work on the nervous system and cells effectively. The two forms I strongly recommend at night are magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-threonate. Magnesium glycinate. This form is incredibly gentle on the stomach and very easy for the body to absorb. Its glycine part, an amino acid, adds extra calming effects on the nervous system, making it perfect for deep sleep and easing anxiety. Magnesium L-threonate. This is a very special and exciting type because it's one of the few forms that can easily cross the blood-brain barrier. That makes it excellent for supporting memory, brain health, and helping you reach the deepest, most healing stages of sleep. I remember one of my patients, Mr. Thomas, a man in his late 60s. He had almost given up hope of ever sleeping well again. He'd tried over-the-counter sleep aids and even regular magnesium citrate, which only upset his stomach. When he switched to magnesium glycinate, he called me 2 weeks later, nearly in tears, saying, "Dr. Laura, I'm finally sleeping like a baby again. I didn't realize how much energy I'd lost until I got it back." Choosing the right form isn't a small detail. It's the base of your success. Once you've picked the correct type, the next important step is understanding the right dosage and timing. This isn't a one-size-fits-all plan, but there are clear recommendations. For men over 60, an effective daily dose of magnesium glycinate, or L-threonate, is usually between 200 and 400 milligrams. The golden rule is to start low and go slow. Begin with about 200 milligrams for a few days and see how your body reacts. If you handle it well and want stronger effects, raise it to 300 milligrams or 400 milligrams. The best time to take magnesium is about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This gives it time to calm your nervous system and relax your muscles so you can drift into a restful night's sleep, helping your body recover deeply. Consistency is key. Think of this as feeding your body's deeper systems, not flipping a switch. While many men notice better sleep within the first couple of weeks, the real benefits, more energy, mental sharpness, and renewed vitality, often appear after 4 to 8 weeks of steady use. One of my patients even said, "It feels like my body is catching up on years of lost rest. My wife says I'm a whole new man, and our bond is stronger than ever." Now let's cover the biggest mistakes that stop men from getting the full benefits of magnesium. These are common, but easy to avoid once you know. Mistake 1. Using the wrong kind. As we discussed, cheap forms like magnesium oxide or citrate aren't absorbed well and mostly act as laxatives. You'll spend more time in the bathroom than enjoying better sleep or energy. Always check the type you're using to make sure you're getting the true benefits. Mistake 2. Being impatient or not taking it regularly. Magnesium deficiency takes years to build up, so expecting one pill to fix decades of imbalance overnight isn't realistic. This is a foundational support. Commit to taking it every night for at least 1 to 2 months to see real change. The results come from steady use and balance, not a quick fix. Mistake 3. Ignoring other important lifestyle habits. Magnesium is powerful, but it works best as part of an overall healthy routine. To get the most from it, focus on eating a nutrient-rich diet, staying active with moderate exercise, managing stress, and creating a calm bedtime habit, like reducing screen time. These all boost magnesium's effects. I had a patient who was taking the right magnesium, but still struggled until he swapped his evening TV time for 15 minutes of quiet reading and cut back on late-night coffee. The changes were life-changing, not just for his sleep, but for his whole mindset. How can you tell if a lack of magnesium might be quietly draining your energy and strength? While a blood test can give you a snapshot, your body often shows clear and obvious signs. Unfortunately, many men over 60 dismiss these as just part of aging. Let's do a quick personal check. Ask yourself if you often notice any of these. 1. Constant trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. 2. Waking up tired even after a full night in bed. 3. Frequent muscle cramps, especially at night or during light activity, or restless legs. 4. Unexplained daytime tiredness or a steady lack of energy. 5. Feeling more irritable, anxious, or constantly on edge. 6. Recurring headaches or migraines. 7. A drop in libido or ongoing struggles with erectile function. If several of these sound familiar, it's a strong sign your body is asking for more magnesium. But this is an opportunity, not a life sentence. Many of my patients have felt amazing relief and a renewed sense of self by fixing this simple, correctable imbalance. One man even told me, "I thought my best years were gone, that this was just aging, but now my sleep is back, my energy is strong, and my wife and I feel closer than we have in years. It's not just about me, it's about us, and that's priceless." Gentlemen, the path to getting back your deep healing sleep, strong energy, and renewed confidence after 60 is often as simple as adding one powerful mineral, magnesium, especially when you take the right form consistently at night. First, choose wisely, magnesium glycinate or L-Threonate. Second, take the right dose, 200 to 400 milligrams, about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Third, avoid common mistakes, skip the wrong forms, be patient, and pair it with a healthy lifestyle. Fourth, listen to your body, pay attention to sleep issues, cramps, low energy, and low libido. This isn't just about taking a pill, it's about giving your body the building blocks it needs to not just survive, but thrive as you age. With this simple yet powerful nightly habit, you're not just improving your sleep, you're building a fuller, stronger life, boosting your confidence, and bringing joy back to your closest relationships. It's a proactive step to feeling like yourself again, naturally. Many men say it helps not only their rest, but also their mood, health, and overall confidence. And here's an important medical reminder from me, Dr. Laura. While magnesium is usually safe, this information is for education only, and not medical advice. If you're thinking about taking new supplements, especially if you have conditions like kidney or heart problems, or take prescription medications, you must speak with your doctor or urologist first. They can guide you based on your personal needs and make sure it's safe for you. My hope is that this information inspires you to take charge of your health and energy. If this message resonated with you, do me a favor, like this video, and subscribe to Vitality Health 101 for weekly tips to help you sleep better, gain energy, and stay healthy as you get older. Most importantly, share it with other men over 60 who could use this knowledge.